While we're still on a subject on the controlled inputs, I would also like to show you a very nifty use case where we would want to use the controlled inputs. And first and foremost, let me correct myself because in here we don't need to use the square brackets by mistake. I just added, since I added for the first one where I was using the variable. And here, obviously, since we're just getting back the value anyway, I can just use the event target value. So that would be the first thing. And second, let me show you why would you want to choose maybe the controlled input. So let's say in our case, whatever we're passing here in the input, I would want everything to be in uppercase. And of course, guys, this is the most basic example, but still let me show you how this is going to work. So let's say we can say const here. And by the way, the fastest way would be something like this, attaching this to the value we're getting. So we can say to uppercase, that was the method name. And now notice what's going to happen. So we're going to save it. First of all, we don't need a semicolon there. But as I'm going to be typing, my values are going to be coming back as an uppercase. Because what I'm doing is I'm setting this up in a state. And then obviously, since this is set equal to the whatever we have in a state, then whatever I'm going to be typing is going to be an uppercase. Obviously, the most basic example. But in general, whatever you would like to control these values, you could, as always, set it up here. So let's say const value, and then you're just going to be getting your target. So event, whatever the name was, target value, and now you can start manipulating these values. And then later on, you can just set it equal here to the state. If this is just going to be something simple as making it uppercase, obviously we can write it here. But if there's going to be more logic involved, you would just set it here to the value or to whatever variable, then do all your manipulations, and then you're going to be getting back anyway from the state. And that would be one of the use cases of why you would want to choose the controlled inputs.